Hello, so I am taking a break from watching Annabelle Comes Home at 11 o'clock at night to bring you an unboxing video. And yes, we're doing a nighttime unboxing. Usually these are done out on the patio in the middle of the day, but when I wanted to go unbox, my neighbors were out on the patio talking, so I was like, let me just take a nap, and we ended up here at 11 o'clock doing an unboxing. So this is an orchid that I got from omi1011 on ebay.com, and this is an eBay seller that I buy from quite often, and I've always gotten great orchids from them. And this is actually a cross of a species that I got, a cross with a species that I got recently, which is Catyclia El Hatillo Pinta. Oop, these leaves don't look too good. This one's up here, but we will see how the rest looks. Okay, so here's the orchid. And it was shipped bare root, so, and it was the last on the offering, so I think generally people who sell plants, they send out their best plants for the people who buy them first, and if you end up buying the last plant on the listing, then you kind of get whatever. But both of the species that make up this cross are pretty vigorous, so I'm not super worried about not being able to recover this orchid. Okay, so this is Catyclia or Catyclia. I don't know how you say that cross name, but it's a Catyclia with a Catyclia El Hatillo cross with Catyclia tampensis El Hatillo. Now, I'm not sure why it says Hatillo Pinta NN, because Pinta is already a cultivar, so I don't know how they're getting the NN, but yeah, there's a tag. So here's the orchid. I'm just trying to look for like new eyes or nodes or whatever. Seems like we might get something out of right there. Seems like that's starting to grow or do something. And this seems like a back division, so I'm definitely gonna baby this one. I think I'm gonna put it in my in a little dome if I can. Yeah, I think I can get these leaves to come out of a little icy cup top. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in a dome with some bark and sphagnum over leca and just kind of hope that it recovers. I mean, I think it probably will recover because, like I said, Catyclia tampensis and Catyclia El Hatillo are like very vigorous species, so I'm not super worried about lack of vigor on this one. Ooh. Let's do this then. Okay. This is a quick nighttime unboxing of my Catyclia tampensis crossed with Catyclia El Hatillo, also known as El Hatillo. This should actually be an A, so Hatillo. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.